Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In the last video we have seen how to rotate the element by k position. Here now we are going to see how to count the frequency of the element. So here is a scenario. So in a college canteen we are going to record the items, how many items are sold for today. So the items have a code. So now we are going to collect the all items, how many items are sold today and how many times. So if we find how many times it's sold, so it helps to restock the popular items and we can buy that and we can manage the product. So for that now we are going to count the frequency, how many times the product is sold. So approach. So let's see how we are going to count the, so let's see how we are going to count the product. So here is the approach. We are going to traverse the array element by element, and by comparing with the next element, we are going to count the how many times. So we are going to traverse the array element by element. So we are going to traverse the array element by element. For each element, compare with the remaining element. Each and every element is compared with the other element and count how many times the same element appears. To avoid counting the same element again and again, and mark counted elements. Print each element along with its frequency. Algorithm for the counting frequency. So get a n number of elements and get the input for the elements too. So in a loop we are going to run from 0th index to the last index, which is n minus 1. So if the current element is already marked, skip it and initialize count equal to 1. In a loop, the range is from so the range is from first index to the last index. So now we are comparing the first index and the second index, and by comparing, if it is equal, the count will be incremented and it is marked as a counter. So and class we print the frequency. So let's go this. Let's create a class here. Frequency. Frequency. So our main class and scanner. So get the input for the length of array. So initialize the array. Get an input for the array. So let's create a loop I equal to 0, I greater than n, and I plus plus to traverse the array. So inside the array, we are checking the condition. So if the array of I equal to minus 1, we have to continue. So this is why we are writing means if the array is already counted, we have to skip this. So that's the purpose we are writing that statement. In an inner loop, we start from the index 1. So j equal to I plus 1. So up to n minus 1. So j plus plus. So here now checking the condition. If array of I equal to array of j. If it is equal, we have to increment the count. Count count plus plus. So let's declare a count variable here. So count equal to 1 and array of j equal to -1. So this line we are writing because to mark it as a it's already counted. So array of j equal to -1 to refer that this element is already counted. So now we are going to print the element with its frequency. Mm. So let's run this. So length 5. So our element 12, 23, 12, 45. Hmm. So let's run this. So 12 appear two times, 45 appear one time, 32 at one time, 54 at one time. So thank you.